Welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the beauty skincare, probably PCA stuff for my wife. Anyway, let's go and then unbox this. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company, so. So here the product, how many pieces, item number, and product description. She spent so much money on this, almost $200. And then that's it. So I got this two of this Hydrator Plus Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Hydrate Plus, and then we got this one, the Daily Defense Spectrum SPF 50 Plus EVA and UVB protection, environment defense. And this one is the Clear Skin Lightweight Moisturizer for normal to oily skin. Hydrate. Well, I'm not going to open it, so. So check out what it is. So expensive. Oh, so this one is the pump style. And this one looks almost the same. Yep. Well, there you go. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one, like always. Peace.